recreation, but for our viewers, what exactly is therapeutic recreation?
Yeah, so therapeutic recreation is it's a bit of a systematic process that uses recreation and other activity-based experiences to help people either foster strengths they already have or to address identified needs that they need to continue to develop, often as a result of some kind of an injury or disability or just getting older or a change in, life, um, a change in their life status somehow.
Mm.
Uh, and it is a process. So there is a bit of an evaluation, pre-evaluation, a plan that's developed. And then, there's definitely goals and objectives that are identified that people are working towards. And, we're basically trying to increase people's well-being in a number of ways, physical, mental health, and overall well-being at the end of that process.
Yeah, that's great. And you're a professor and chair, but I'm sure there are other career opportunities in this field. So what are some other possible careers in this field?
Yeah, so in therapeutic rec in particular, I think the things that people, when they start out in it, that they see almost immediately would be, what we would call more clinical type placement. So it could be working at a hospital, it could be also working at, like a mental health organization. Oftentimes people will work in long-term care homes.
Mm.
Those would be the kind of the key ones that people would probably think of at first. And I think there's also other opportunities that kind of blend all the different aspects of therapeutic recreation with other types of recreation, like community recreation, outdoor recreation. For example, there are programs that work using nature-based activities to do therapeutic recreation experiences. Same thing with, community recreation organizations will oftentimes offer therapeutic things as well. Uh, so I think that, it's not you can basically apply those skills in lots of different areas. And I think that there's lots of nice job opportunities and career opportunities out there for people who would be interested in it for sure. Um, I do think, in Canada and the US, therapeutic recreation specialists have definitely been more integrated into more of the clinical settings. Their interdisciplinary teams of delivering, treatments and whatever, if it's mental health treatments or medical or physical health treatments, they're part of those interdisciplinary teams. So they work with doctors, nurses, occupational therapists, physical therapists, and rec therapists are often part of a team that are working together to promote strengths in individuals and also address some of those things that they may need to work on due to injury or illness or change in life circumstance.
Yeah, and that's 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 wild actually, because now I'm realizing I know two people who've done something similar. I knew of one, but now two is coming to mind. I'm like, oh wow, that's it's great that you know people are able to do this kind of work because there is really there's a massive importance behind physical well-being and mental health. All of it really does connect.
If you want to hear more stories, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. To support more youth by youth led projects, visit us at youthspeak.ca where you can donate and spread youth mental health awareness.
YouthSpeak Charity. Speak, inspire, change.